Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can print your business card with Canva. So I am already on my business card editor, and all you have to do is go to your Canva account and sign in through it. You can take a look at the templates if you want, but even if you don't, once you open the business card editor, you'll be able to see templates on the left side of your screens right here. So what I did when I opened this editor was I typed in business card on the top right of my screens right here, and you have the options to choose what kind of orientation you want your business card to be, whether you want it to be on landscape or portrait, or you want one with rounded corner, or even if you want it to be on square. So basically this is the normal size, I believe, so it's 8.5 by 5 centimeters. But if you have another measurement or another type that you would want to create for your business card, you can always custom the size by clicking this custom size right here and enter your numbers. But I'm just going to work with the 8.5 by 9 right here. So here on the left side of the screen, as I said earlier, you can see the business card right here. I really like this one, so I think I'm going to use this as my base. So you can see that it's going to show us the color templates that this card is using. And I think I'm going to keep using the font, but I'm just going to change the background color as well as the elements right here, because this isn't the symbol of my business. So I'm going to go ahead and add this 2 pages right here, and I'm going to start by changing the background color. I am going to try to use black, and then I'm just going to go ahead and change the color of the element since it's become invisible. So I'm just going to change this to white as well as this one's right here, and change the background to black too. Alright, that looks good. And now I'm just going to go ahead and upload my logo, because this is definitely not mine. And I'm just going to go to the upload sections and upload my files. Alright, so here is my logo, and currently it has its own background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click edit image, and then I'm going to remove the background with the background remover. Alright, that looks way better. So I'm just going to remove this text right here, and I guess I'm just going to add the name of my business or the logo of my business like so. And here I'm going to add the logo once again, so I'm just going to go ahead and Ctrl+C on my keyboard and then click Ctrl+V right here. Just going to make it a tad bit smaller like so, and make sure that it's in the middle of my page or my card. So it looks something like this, and I'm going to add the name. And I'm just not going to bother with the other content. I'm just going to leave it as it is. So this is a very simple, yet I feel like it looks elegant. But if you would like to add some more elements, you can always go to the element sections right here. Maybe you want to add some simple frame, etc. You can always search for frame. And here we got some graphics for the frame, so I'm going to try and look if there is any frame that we can use. I always love the combinations of black and gold, so I'm going to see if there are any gold frame that looks nice but not too flashy. So I kind of like this frame, but I don't know if it's going to fit well. Alright, so as you can see, it doesn't fit exactly to my rectangle, but once I adjust it, it could work still, so I think it's fine. And I'm going to try and copy this to the first page and see whether it will work or not. Alright, so it looks pretty good. I like how it looks like for now. And now if you would like to print out your card, all you have to do is go to share, or you can see right besides the share button, you can see this print with Canva option. So you can just go ahead and click this print with Canva. And here you can see the preview of your card right here. And then you can select the pages you want to print. You can set which one is the front one and which one is the back one. And for the paper type, you have the options to choose for standard paper or premium paper. And you can also see the details on each category. And for the paper finish, you have the options to choose between matte finish, gloss finish, as well as uncoated finish. And you can choose on the amount of card you want to print alongside with the prices. So the minimum amount that you can print out is 50, and the price is 0.26 pounds sterling for each. And then once you're done with this settings, you can go ahead and click on continue, and you can also see that this is delivery free. Now before you are going to print out your card, they're going to show you some mistakes that might happen if you print it out with your design. For example, this one's right here shows that the font that I'm using is too small, because it says that the text smaller than size 8 can be hard to read when printed. So you can also see all of the other text that happens right here. So basically it just shows me that I need to increase the text. And once you're done with all of the revision, you can then add your card, or you can just go ahead and check out immediately. And what it does is that Canva is going to print out your business card and send it directly into your home or wherever address you want this to be sent out to. But if you are having a problem with the printing, or maybe you already have your own printing provider, you can also print the card on your own, and all you have to do is download your card in the form of PDF. So you can go to the share area right here and then go ahead and click on download. I think I'm going to choose PNG, and then I'm going to download both of the pages. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on download. Alright, now that we got it downloaded, we're going to go ahead and create a new file. So I'm going to create a file in the form of document. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the design into my canvas, and I'm going to maximize the usage of the page as much as I can. So I'm just going to go ahead and add more of the card, and then here's what I got. I got 3 cards for 1 page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight everything, go to position, and make sure that they are all aligned. So what I like about Canva is it's going to give you these guidelines right here that shows whether your images are lined up or not, or are they in the right positions or not. And you can even see the gap between each cards. So you can see that the 0.7, I believe, shows right here, and it shows that the 0.7 is exactly the amount of gap that we got on each card. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this page and use this card as the guide, and I'm going to add the back side of my card, put it right here, then just repeat the step, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring this tree to the back and just delete the front part of my card. Alright, so now that I got all of my card aligned, all I have to do is go ahead and click on share and download this as PDF. And I will choose the PDF print so that the color will pop up even more. If you're going to be creating a colorful design, you can definitely use the PDF print one instead of the PDF standard. Just make sure you choose the back-to-back print on your printer later on, or tell your other printer provider that this is the card that you would like to print. And that's basically it. That is how you can print your business card with Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.